Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook fusilli pasta. Start with a large pot, ensuring plenty of room for your fusilli to move freely. For every 1 pound of pasta, you'll need at least 4 to 6 quarts of water. This generous amount helps prevent sticking and ensures even cooking. Don't forget to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of salt to the water before it comes to a boil. This seasons the pasta from the inside out, enhancing its natural flavor. Once your salted water reaches a vigorous, rolling boil, it's time to add the fusilli. Gently drop the pasta into the bubbling water. Immediately after adding, give it a good stir. This crucial step prevents the pasta from clumping together and sticking to the bottom of the pot, ensuring each spiral cooks perfectly. Keep the heat high to maintain that rolling boil. Fusilli typically cooks to an al dente texture in about 10 to 12 minutes. However, cooking times can vary slightly, so it's always best to taste a piece of pasta around the 10-minute mark. You're looking for a firm, slightly chewy bite, not mushy or hard. This al dente texture is ideal for holding sauces and provides a satisfying mouthfeel. Before draining, remember to reserve about 1 cup of the starchy pasta water. This liquid is a secret weapon for emulsifying sauces later. Then, drain your fusilli using a colander, but resist the urge to rinse it. Rinsing removes the beneficial starch that helps sauce cling to the pasta. Immediately toss the hot fusilli with your chosen sauce for the best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.